Well, finally getting to pick up my truck. It's sort of fixed. The factory radiator cooler, of course, was full of metal. Put a brand new GM radiator in it, so we wouldn't have any trouble. Didn't want to spend money on an aftermarket radiator and have problems with it. Well, that's all well and good until that brand new GM radiator is leaking. So it's kind of a pain in the ass to have to pull it back out and exchange it. That's bad enough in itself, but it's on national back order with no ETA. Okay, radiator's fixed. We should be good now. If I have any connections in Las Vegas, help me probably change a water pump in a Duramax right now. Well, she almost made it to 400. Looks like 2024 has struck again.